Hello, and welcome to this course on dealing with trauma. Recovering from trauma is a long-term process that requires ongoing care and attention even after the initial symptoms have lessened. Sustaining mental health involves not only managing triggers and symptoms, but also building a lifestyle that promotes resilience and well-being. This chapter covers relapse prevention strategies, lifestyle changes to sustain mental health, and how to cope with setbacks while maintaining progress. Relapse prevention is about recognizing the early signs that trauma symptoms may be resurfacing and taking action before they become overwhelming. Although setbacks are normal, there are strategies that can help maintain stability over the long term. Recognizing early warning signs. Everyone's signs of relapse may differ, but common indicators include heightened anxiety, trouble sleeping, irritability, and social withdrawal. Keeping track of these signals can help you intervene early. Developing a relapse prevention plan. List your triggers. Identify situations, people, or feelings that could lead to a resurgence of trauma symptoms. Create a safety plan. Outline what to do when triggers arise. This could include using grounding techniques, reaching out to a support person, or stepping away from stressful situations. Reach out to support systems. Don't hesitate to ask for help from friends, family, or professionals when you notice warning signs. Early intervention is key. Consistency in therapy or treatment. Even when symptoms improve, continuing therapy can help solidify progress. Whether it's regular counseling, group therapy, or online support, maintaining a therapeutic routine can act as a buffer against relapses. Check-ins with a mental health professional. Regular check-ins with a therapist or counselor can provide ongoing support and ensure you're staying on track. This can be especially helpful during times of increased stress or change. Long-term mental health is built on a foundation of healthy habits and self-care practices. Making intentional lifestyle changes can enhance emotional resilience and reduce the likelihood of trauma symptoms resurfacing. Physical health. Exercise. Regular physical activity is known to reduce anxiety and stress while boosting mood and energy levels. Find activities you enjoy, whether it's walking, swimming, yoga, or strength training. Sleep hygiene. Poor sleep can trigger or worsen trauma symptoms. Establish a calming bedtime routine, limit screen time before bed, and create a sleep environment that promotes restfulness. Nutrition. A balanced diet helps stabilize energy and mood. Focus on nutrient-dense foods and try to avoid excessive caffeine, sugar, or processed foods, which can spike anxiety. Emotional health. Mindfulness practices. Mindfulness and meditation can help you stay grounded in the present and reduce overthinking. Practicing these techniques regularly can increase emotional resilience and reduce stress. Journaling. Keeping a journal allows you to reflect on your feelings and experiences, track your progress, and identify any negative thought patterns before they escalate. Healthy boundaries. Setting clear boundaries in relationships can protect your mental health. This may mean limiting time with people who increase your stress or avoiding situations that trigger anxiety. Social health. Stay connected. Social support is critical in long-term recovery. Engage with friends, family, or peer support groups regularly to avoid isolation. Volunteer or engage in meaningful activities. Finding purpose through volunteering, hobbies, or community involvement can help give your life direction and build self-esteem, which supports emotional well-being. Recovery is not a linear process, and setbacks are a natural part of the journey. However, setbacks don't mean failure, and learning how to cope with them is an essential part of maintaining long-term progress. Reframing setbacks. View setbacks as opportunities for growth rather than failures. Every setback is a chance to learn more about your triggers, refine your coping strategies, and build resilience. Ask yourself, what can I learn from this experience? Using coping strategies. Grounding techniques. If you feel symptoms resurfacing, use grounding techniques like the 5-4-3-2-1 exercise or deep breathing to stay connected to the present. Self-compassion. Be kind to yourself when setbacks occur. Remember that recovery takes time and self-blame can worsen symptoms. Practice self-compassion by reminding yourself that healing is a process and setbacks are normal. Problem solving. Reflect on what might have contributed to the setback. Were you under more stress than usual? Did you stop using coping strategies or pull away from support? Once you identify the factors, you can adjust your plan to better manage future challenges. Rebuilding routine. After a setback, re-establishing your routine can provide a sense of normalcy and control. Go back to your self-care practices, engage in regular activities, and lean on your support network. Reach out for help. When setbacks happen, it's important to connect with a therapist, counselor, or trusted person. They can provide perspective and support to help you regain your footing. These videos are made possible thanks to our amazing sponsors. Meet anyone for anything on the Introducer app. Whether you're looking for friends, romance, or something in between, Introducer has you covered. Download for free today. Experience a new heaven and a new earth in a virtual paradise and global community. Church has never looked like this. Your contribution can bring Earth 2.0 to life. Finally, if you'd prefer to watch these videos without ads, visit our Mental Wellness Hub on the Happy app. Click the links in the description. Finally, although this course was free for you, it was not free to get it to you. Please consider giving a small donation to help spread these courses around the world to those most in need. The link is in the description. See you in the next lesson.